Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Xero is still the best invoicing and accounting tool for growing businesses in 2025, or if it's falling behind the competition. Xero in 2025 remains one of the top choices for small and growing businesses thanks to its clean interface, real-time bank feeds, automated invoicing, built-in payment integrations, multi-currency support, mobile access, payroll tools, and powerful reports that make it easy to track cash flows and taxes. And with constant updates and a massive app marketplace, it scales well as your business grows. Though it's not the cheapest and may take some setup time to learn, if you want a smart, flexible accounting platform that grows with you, Xero still gets the job done. That's the full review. Get paid faster, manage smarter, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more small business tools that work